everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another video of Pani Puri. So here I have made only the Pani Puris. I have not shared the recipe, but if you will comment me, I will share the recipe, and just believe it is very tasty and very amazing. Here I have only made it, but I have not shared the recipe. So let's see how I have created this. Here I have made the water, the puri and the filling and the curd one, because I'm making the both curd one and the normal one. Here we need some masala. Let's see: kutti lal mirch, Kashmiri lal mirch, salt and pisi lal mirch, white salt, chaat masala, dry roasted jeera masala, pink salt, then curd. These are the 8 masalas we need. It is very tasty and I have made it at home. It is taste is just like the market one, and the water also is made in home and it tastes like market. As you know, there is unhygienic and very bad quality of product now selling in the market, so we can make it at home very easily and enjoy it. So if you want, I will share the video with this, because already I have made the video of this, and if you will comment me, I will share you. Now let's make the curd one. Here I have taken the normal house curd. So if you like my video, then like it and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit the bell icon for new updates. I have made it very easily and I will share it, and you can also make it very easily. Till that, take care. Bye bye. I will be back with another video. Bye bye.